The 2003 TL. The Acura TL is a strong choice for people looking for a mid-size luxury vehicle. Offering a typically spacious Acura interior, this car is loaded with high-tech features and receives top scores in crash tests and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, automatic transmission, cruise control, FWD, heated driver's seat, power windows, remote power door locks, passenger airbag, fog lamps, leather seats, speed proportional power steering, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, heated passenger seat, driver memory seats, power heated outside mirrors, privacy glass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.